This video will introduce you to truly extraordinary creatures you won't believe exist, living right under our noses in Africa, often unseen and almost always misunderstood. These are the continent's best-kept secrets, the survivors and innovators who have carved out a life in the most challenging of places. Prepare to have your perception of African wildlife completely transformed. The animals we are about to meet are masters of camouflage, experts in survival, and living proof of nature's boundless creativity. They are the elusive, the bizarre, and the utterly magnificent. From a giraffe's forest-dwelling cousin to a spider that cartwheels across desert dunes, these are stories that demand to be told. Get ready to expand your wildlife knowledge and be utterly amazed. Deep within the dense, almost impenetrable Ituri rainforest of Central Africa lives a creature of myth and legend. For years it was known to the Western world only through tantalizing fragments of stories. This is the okapi, often called the forest giraffe. At first glance, it appears to be a curious blend of animals: the striped hindquarters of a zebra, the sturdy body of a horse, and the gentle face of a deer. But its closest and only living relative is in fact the towering giraffe. Its magnificent, velvety, dark reddish coat provides perfect camouflage in the filtered light of the rainforest understory, allowing it to melt away like a phantom at the slightest disturbance. Living such a solitary and secretive life means that much about the okapi remains a mystery. They possess an extraordinarily long, prehensile blue tongue, much like a giraffe's, which they use to meticulously strip leaves and buds from over 100 different plant species. This tongue is so long, it can even be used to wash its own eyelids and ears. They communicate over long distances using low-frequency infrasound, a call too deep for the human ear to detect, a private language for the forest ghosts. Their elusive nature is their greatest defense, a silent strategy for survival in a world that is rapidly changing around them. We now encounter one of the most curious and tragically misunderstood mammals on the planet, the Bangongardwanalayin, Finderdonitain. Mondonid, often described as a walking pine cone or a tiny artichoke. Its entire body, from head to tail, is covered in an armor of large, overlapping scales made of keratin, the very same material as our fingernails. When threatened, the pangolin employs a simple yet incredibly effective defense. It curls itself into a tight, impenetrable ball, its sharp-edged scales forming a formidable shield that can deter even the most determined predators, including lions. This ancient creature is a silent nocturnal wanderer, a specialist of the highest order. Its role in the ecosystem is profoundly important. Armed with a sticky tongue that can extend longer than its own body, a single pangolin can consume up to 20,000 ants and termites in a single night, making it a vital form of natural pest control. They are nature's tiny gardeners, aerating the soil as they dig for their insect prey. But this unique specialization has also made them vulnerable